What's up YouTube, it's your girl Bianca Shanice and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you get alerts when I put up new videos, because I how y'all gonna see me. So today is Thursday. I'm just starting off my day, just making me a cup of iced coffee. So today is Thursday, like I said, but this video will go up on Friday, which is the last day of the year. Are you all excited for the new year? Do y'all have any plans, any goals? So of course this little tree have to go. I just bought this back out because I don't know where my place is at right now. And my garland has to go. And this baby has to go. And some stuff in the kitchen have to go. Oh my God, I hate to see it go. A little bit, a low key, I hate to see it go. In this little arrangement. So once again, like I said, y'all, this stuff must come down. It has to come to an end. And I just want to make sure my house is in order, it's clean before the new year come in. It is still some stuff that I will have to do on Friday. Okay, y'all, so all the ornaments, that one I had to get. Everything get, well, there was another one. But majority of all the ornaments, let's take another one. Well, I'll be back when it's time to take it down. So I have to take that one down, that one, and that one. It's blending in with the tree, but yeah. So at this point, I just decided to keep the lights up there, y'all. It took me a long time to put those lights on that tree because my tree didn't come with no lights. So I just kept the lights on the tree. And it's going to look like I'm struggling, but I'm just tilting the tree over so I can manage to get it all in the box. Okay, y'all, so I didn't have no tape. Well, I do have some tape, but I don't know where it's at the moment. So I just tied the twine I had. And it's going to be in a little tight space, so it's going to be secured. So I'm about to put that in the closet and clean up the rest of this stuff. So now that everything is out the way, I'm just wiping down my TV stand. Okay, y'all, so I got this candle from Walmart yesterday, and it was over there by the Christmas Decor when they first came out, but they put them in the bag and it was marked down, and I got this candle for $10. It's a nice size candle. So now I'm about to light it. Y'all know your girl had to light some candles to set the mood. And here is the finished results. It's nice and clean and airy. Got everything out of the way. Y'all, I promise you, it's so comfortable and cozy in here. Okay, y'all, I have gotten my living room all cleaned up as I had showed y'all. So now it's time to fix your girl something to eat. It is 5:50. It is 5:52. And y'all, it's like it took me all day to do all that. But yeah, I'm just about to fix this pasta, this bourbon chicken pasta. It's by Zatarain's. Of course, your girl had to have some crab legs and make some biscuits. I feel like I'm treating myself today. I just want something good. And then I'm going to finish doing a little cleaning in the kitchen. And then I'm going to get me a shower, put on some nice comfy pajamas. I do have some things to show y'all. Let me show y'all that right quick. This is one of the things I meant to show y'all. So your girl got her an iced coffee maker. Iced coffee maker. This is what it looks like. You just take that off. You add water in there. Then you add your ground coffee to that part, and you can just put strong or regular. And it also came with this cup and a straw. So I also have an iced coffee maker. Y'all, I got so many appliances that I ain't gonna have no room. Like, you see this, I'm about to clean this up because I also got a tea kettle, and I think I'm gonna whip that baby out tonight so I can make me some tea tonight after I get me a nice shower. I also got let me move some of this stuff. Your girl needs some more space, y'all. My other friend got me this little cute little package, and it's just Bath and Body Works Dark Kiss, and also, you know, the lotion. But then, y'all, I know I've been asking for one, and y'all probably done seen it in my video I uploaded yesterday. My 2021 recap. So do y'all see that? If you know, you know. Y'all see my bracelet? Y'all know I've been wanting me one of these. It's really cute. And so then, y'all, she went and got fancy on your girl. I got the ring too. So yes. Now I just need my gold watch. And I also got this cute ring. But yeah, that's what I had to show. Oh, there's one more other thing. I'll show y'all that when I get in my room later. But I gotta get here and start this dinner. So I'm getting my food ready. I'm prepping, and I didn't really show too much because y'all done seen me make seafood before. But that pasta turned out pretty good. And of course, you know, I had to make the mayo and mustard dip. When I tell y'all 10 out of 10 recommend, y'all gotta try these biscuits. Y'all have to try these biscuits and let me know. They were so good. And I'm just drizzling some of that garlic butter. Well, it came into like a little packet, the garlic did, and I just had to melt some butter and mix it in and drizzle it up there. Chef kiss. Yummy.
You profiled so much about me, except you forgot to ask the most important question. Why would I make you sit here for 30 minutes? Because you're stalling. Then you don't know me at all.
Yeah, when I tell you I really enjoy like my alone time like this, it's so peace and quiet. I get to think about things. just enjoy myself. And I really want to cherish these moments because you don't get time back. So I try to do more things like this. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to unbox my tea kettle. I don't even know where it's gonna go. It just came with the book. The thing you sit it on. Okay. I'm just gonna rinse this out. So just got to fill the water up to max. It said fill all the way up, but I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I'm just enough, you know, to make a cup of tea. This is the tea I'm gonna have, some peppermint tea, and I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna do sleepy time and peppermint. Y'all, it's boiling. So now I'm just going to add my honey. Whoa. So this is the night outfit I had bought from Walmart. I was gonna put it on tonight, but y'all, this was gonna be too hot for me, so I'm gonna wait on another day. I just wanted to show you. It got marked down. It was a Christmas pajama set, and it just came with the shirt and the leggings. So I'll put this on one day. But I just wanted to show y'all this. I got it for $5. I think it's really cute. And when I had said I had something to show y'all also is my friend got me this distressed jean jacket. But that's how it looks. That's the back. And this is the front of it. It's really cute. But I'm about to hop in the shower. Y'all not gonna be able to see my face through the mirror. I'm going to use this vapor shower thing. And like I said, y'all, it's pretty good, but I wish they had more. I get some scissors. And this is what it looks like in the little package thing. And you just put it in the shower on the floor, and you let the, you know, water run on it and the steam come in. Y'all, I needed this shower after a long day. It felt so good. So that body scrub and that lotion right there smelled so good. So now I'm finally winding down after a long day, drinking my hot tea, and I'm about to turn the lights off and just sit back and finish watching Criminal Minds. But this video is about to come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget, hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a happy new year, because I won't see you until next year. Bye.